PAWS listing remain one day as PAWS has been started to draft in the exchange, like users that have been sending their token to the Bybit, so they already been getting theirs. So what are you waiting for? Go and check your allocation. Maybe you get an increment of another like force token. So maybe they used to add like at least 1000 to above, but maybe some users get more than 1000. But me, I didn't get the increment. But until now, right now, my allocation has not drafted yet. But I share this update to you guys so that you can go and check your allocation and check it so that you should get a peace of mind. So if this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. So let's go into our Bybit exchange so that we may see what is happening regarding the first allocation drop to the exchange. So I will show you where you can fund your first token and where is your first token going to draft. So let's go together. So let's go into our Bybit. So let's click on Bybit. So when you enter your Bybit like this, like at this interface, so all you need to do is to click on this section, which is asset, and then this will come to deposit. Like uh when you come to asset, like you have an unified trading and funded unfunded. So it's depend on the like on where you are deposited your token. If you deposited on funded, so you are going to check it on funded. So as I said, like we have two options: unified trading and funding on funding account. So if you deposited your token into the unified trading, so all you need to do is to come and click on this unified trading so that you will see your token has been dropped. So a simplest way that you can see your token is to come and switch on this one, like is to come and switch this hide zero balance. So when you click on this hide zero balance, your force will be definitely a fight among this token that I have. So all this token that I have, all these three token that I have, it is just a sense, like it has no value, but because it has is some grade, like some numbers on it, so that's why it has been showing for here, because it is a not zero. So even though a decimal point is a number, so that's why they considered it as a number, like as a token that has a balance on it. So let's get back into our funding account. So when it is the same procedure, like when you come to fund an account, it is the same thing that we are going to do when you click on this hard zero balance. So definitely any token that has a number on it, like any token that you have, which is, even though like it is not tradable, but you can see it like to be visible on your funded account. So even though like if it is the first that you have deposited in the funded account, so definitely you will see it there. So here it is. As simple as you can see how you can trade your tokens. And then again, if you want to trade your token, all you need to do is to come and this section trade. When you come to trade, you have to like make sure that you are on spot trading here in this section. You have to make sure that you are on spot trading. This one, don't come for features or combat or option or margin. So you have to be always on spot trading so that your trading will be easier for you to trade the token that you want to trade. So let's search for a force so that maybe we can see it to start counting down of the day of the trading that also our PAWS is not to been yes listed on the Bybit, but maybe within the some hours they are going to starting countdown to the trade. So yeah, this if this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.